going on, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and today I'm going to tell you about the importance of HIIT. Now, high intensity interval training, better known as HIIT, is my go-to when it comes to losing weight and getting in shape. Now, before I get started, if that subscribe button is looking red right there, I want you to turn it gray and turn on your push notifications and hit the like button, because my YouTube channel loves likes. It actually helps it grow. So if you want to, share the video too as well. Now, HIIT training is designed to alternate periods of high intensity training to low intensity training. This type of training or activity will get your heart rate up to 80% for your maximum heart rate. What makes it exciting is that each exercise lasts around 30 to 45 seconds. The break, it can vary, but the goal of the break is to make sure that you don't get tired. When that break is done, just jump into another exercise. Your goal of those exercises are to knock out as many reps as possible at the same time holding good form. So technically, you can walk into any gym with all the fitness levels and be able to crush your workout. And yes, your workout, because you're not really worried about anybody else. You're worried about you and your gains or losses or maintenance. In my experience, HIIT exercises provided better results for my clients when it came down to weight loss. I also feel, well, my clients probably feel it too, that they've gotten a lot stronger in comparison to moderate intensity training. Now with HIIT, you are using multiple muscles at once, so everything is going to start improving, to include your posture, also too, where you was weak, now you're going to be strong. Normal day-to-day routines become a lot more easier because this is functional fitness training. And also, because HIIT is so versatile, you can get away with doing this 5 to 6 times a week. It never has to be the same format either. For one, you can adjust the time, and with the time you can adjust your break too as well. You can also adjust what you're doing, so you can be doing some boxing, you can be doing some body weight training, weightlifting training, all of it that can be encompassed into one structured workout. HIIT is pretty much the way to go, and I forgot to mention that you can do it anywhere. Living room, outside, gym, wherever you have enough space, you can perform these exercises. Now, if you're looking for a foot in the door, you can always count on my channel to give you all the videos that you're gonna need for HIIT training. I've been going really heavy on these exercises, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on your push notifications so you can catch me every single week. But there's a whole variety of different things you can choose from that are free for you to utilize. So if you have equipment, you have some different kind of gadgets, gizmos, incorporate that into your training, but always be safe, drink the water, and beat that heat, all right? Now, I think I said this before, but I'm gonna say it again. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your push notifications and hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next workout. Peace.